Hey there, what's up? Welcome to your tutorial. So I'm going to go through all 5 moves that are part of our benchmark workout, and I'm going to give you modifications and variations in case the moves are a little too intense. You are welcome to try anything, and you're also welcome to reach out to me at any point if you have any questions about any of these moves, all right? I am here for you. I'm your personal trainer. So take advantage. Okay, so our benchmark workout consists of 5 moves and they're full body. So we're working every part of the body. We're gonna be doing squats, push-ups, lunges, sit-ups, and planks, all right? A lot of big moves using big muscle groups. So I wanna make sure that you're doing them the correct way. All right, so the first one we're gonna do is a squat. We're gonna be doing a 1-arm overhead press squat. So I wanna go over some variations for you. If you have a chair and you're a beginner, I recommend using the chair as a guide. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna stand in front of your chair just a few inches. You're gonna be standing up nice and tall, and you're gonna send that booty back, and you can even sit down. So you get an idea of how that feels. So you want to be looking at your knees, making sure they're not coming too far forward over your toes like that. You want that weight back here. And they're going to press into those heels and get you back up. So this is just how it looks. You're just kind of tapping a little bit and then you're coming back up. And then when we do the 1-arm reach overhead press, you're just going to be holding one weight for the benchmark workout. You're going to come down. As you come up, that one arm is going to come up overhead. And as you sit back down, you're gonna transfer the weight from one hand to the next, and then the other arm comes up. So you're gonna be coming up and down like that. So you're kind of transferring that weight just below your knees, and then you're coming right back up, all right? If you're a little bit more advanced, you don't wanna use the chair, or as you progress, you feel like, okay, I think I'm getting there, you're gonna do it without the chair. You're just gonna come down, same height. Now you're just gonna do it without the chair as a guide. And you're gonna switch, whoop, so you're gonna, you might almost fall back like I did, but that's good. You want that weight in your heels and that booty back. And then as you get better, you're gonna come all the way down, drop that weight on the floor, switch hands, and then press it up. All right? So this is what you wanna progress to. If you don't get there, it's okay. I want you to start here, then you're gonna progress to here, and then you may progress to here, okay? Really important. Keep that weight in your heels. Keep that booty back. Let me just give you a side point, just like that. All right, so then moving on, our next one is going to be chest to floor push-ups. I'm gonna move that chair. All right, lots of variations here. We want to get into plank position, so that's where our shoulders are above our wrists. You can do this from your knees, hands wide to the edges of each side of the mat. You're going to come all the way down and then bring your hands up, place them back down right where they were, and push up. That's 1, okay? So down like this, up, and then push up. You can also do this if that's too much for you. If you can't get down on the floor, you can do wall push-ups. So wall push-ups, let me just show you how to step down here. Hands against the wall, you're about a foot in front of the wall. The hands are gonna be about at chest height. You're just gonna press in and push out. Take that nose to the wall and push out, okay? That's a beginner push-up. If you're feeling a little saucy, you can try it down here. Coming down, hands up. And then if you want to do full push-up, come all the way down, hands up, and then push up. All right, that's going to be a little bit more challenging. You want to make sure that that body stays in a nice straight line. That's important. You don't want to be down here and then kind of like slowly peel yourself off. That's not working it, because then you have no activation in your hips or your core. You want that belly button pulled in, everything stays in a nice straight line, and you push up nice and even. All right, so 3 ways that you can do that. Then we have a drop lunge. Sounds horrible, but it's not. You're like, drop, what am I dropping to the floor? No, you're not dropping to the floor. Well, kind of. So it's gonna be a reverse lunge, and you're gonna jump it, step it down, jump it up. alternating legs. Now this is the advanced version. So you're jumping, dropping down, jumping up. You want to modify it a little bit. Step it back, jump it up. Step it back, jump it up. Okay, you can do it this way, or you can just do regular reverse lunge until you feel confident with that. And then you can progress from there to stepping back and jumping. And then you can progress even more to the jump, lower, and then jump, lift. Okay? All right, then we have sit-ups. I recommend if you're gonna be doing full sit-ups to either use an ab mat or a hand towel rolled up and placed right underneath your back, right where that natural curve comes in. So kind of right above that sacrum. I have a mat. And I tuck that in really close to my bum. I put the soles of my feet together, my knees drop out, and I come all the way back, extend my arms overhead, and then follow my hands and reach forward in front of my toes, and then all the way back. So I'm curling all the way up, getting those shoulders past the hip point. So I'm really coming forward and then slowly bringing it back down. So you want to keep that natural curve in your spine, especially if you have back issues or back pain. And if you have really a lot of back pain, I don't recommend doing a full sit-up. I would recommend doing some crunches. So crunches, you can do them hands, fingertips behind your ears, nice and light, feet flat on the floor, that belly button pulled into the ground. So that low back is pressing into the floor and you're just coming up and down. All right, a small move, but it's a powerful move. All right, so you can do that as well. And then our last move is plank shoulder taps. Lots of variations for plank. Again, if you can't come down on the ground, you can start this against the wall. So you're gonna lean in, you're gonna stand farther apart, farther away from the wall than you would for that push-up. You're gonna put your hands at chest height and just gonna tap. Tap your opposite hand to your opposite shoulder. Okay, and you're gonna feel that weight shift in your core. So keep those hips squared towards the wall, belly button pulled in. If you wanna take it to the floor, you can do it modified. So knees on the floor. So again, it's kind of like that push-up position. It's exactly like that push-up position. And you're just gonna take opposite hand up. You want your hips, you want your knees to be about hip width apart. You're just gonna up and over, tap that opposite shoulder. Okay, again, try to keep those hips squared towards the floor, belly button pulled in. You can also take it up. So you're in full plank position. And there you go, you're just tapping opposite shoulder with opposite hand. Again, watch those hips. Try to keep them squared towards the floor. All right? And those are our 5 moves. So I've given you plenty of modifications. If you still feel like you need more, definitely reach out to me. And that's it. All right, so we're gonna get started very soon. So I hope you enjoy this challenge. It's my honor and my pleasure to be here with you going through it together. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon.